welcome back. I've got 2 more boxes of LED Christmas lights that I'm going to open for the first time. I just bought these. These were $9 a piece. So these are the cheapest lights that I've purchased, and they're supposed to have a incandescent glow. So these are LED lights, which is what I really do like, especially if they can have an incandescent glow or have the traditional lights or look vintage. So these are Sylvania. I bought these at Target. Like I said, I wasn't really planning on buying these, but I keep seeing so many people say that they really like them, so I thought that would give them a try. So let's open the mini lights first. These are multi. These are yellow, green, red, blue, and pink. You can see the colors, but I decided just to read them out for you, I guess. So it has pink. That's not a light that's normally included. So if you have an opinion about that, you know, that's something that people care about. So they feel like normal lights when I open them. Let's see if they're plastic or glass. All right, so let's see what they sound like. It sounds like they are glass. So that's cool. If you want your lights to be glass, then you have some glass lights right there. And that's what they look like. So they feel like normal bulbs. They have the normal plugins. They don't have any of the extra stuff that you're gonna see with the True Tone bulbs or even the Marico bulbs that kind of have like the paper little pieces that just give it that full vintage vibe. But they look like pretty basic Christmas lights. We'll come back when it's dark and plug them in, but let's plug them in right now and just see what it looks like at this point. I can see one difference that I might actually like is that if you look closely, let's see if it'll focus, the bulb right here is a little bit higher and not at the bottom. So it's a little bit different looking LED diode on the inside. But let's plug it in and see if you can tell. But it's definitely, oh yeah. See how it's higher up? That makes it look more like an incandescent style, because on some of the LED ones, the LED bulb is way down here, which isn't a big deal, but the way they stand out makes it look pretty cool. So actually, by turning them on right away, so they're definitely brighter than the Marico I used this week. If I had these inside of my house, I almost might want to use a dimmer. I can tell just by the way I'm using them right now. But maybe I'll hook them up to a dimmer to see if they actually dim. But we have orange, green, not as green as I would think. Blue, that's always a hard one. So does blue look okay? This whole bulb or diode up a little bit higher is kind of cool. So that's probably the biggest difference that I've seen, is the diode is halfway up the light. So I actually really like that. Red and orange, let's put all the colors, green and pink. So here's pink and red. They're not much different. So over time, I'm becoming more of a fan of just not having pink. You can't really even tell much of a big difference, so it just adds more red to the whole light set. But there you go. So there's the difference between red and pink. Not much difference. So like I said, there's blue, yellow, and green. So we'll come back in a little bit when it gets darker, and we'll look at all these colors. But my first impression for $9 versus $25 that you're normally paying, they're not bad. They're definitely brighter. And I don't know if people care about that, but so you know, we have brighter bulbs. Maybe I'll do a comparison of them later, but I kind of like when they're, I don't know, I think if they're outside, this bright would be pretty nice because they would definitely stand out. If I go put them on my neighbor's tree over here, they would stand out, I'm sure. But if I used other lights, I think for indoors, these just might be too bright. Anyways, I'm repeating myself now. So we will come back when it gets dark and we will have another look at these colored ones. Real quick, I did get a white box. Let's see how the white goes. Like I said in other videos, it's pretty easy to find pretty decent white lights now. You know, there's enough companies, I think, that make a white light that just has a nice look to it. We'll plug this one in. I almost expect these to be really bright now. And now you can really see how the diode is up higher to make the light, which is one thing I really like. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, that looks like a basic white light. Let's see what the flicker looks like. You know, it's really not bad. So if I use my eyes to do it, that's when I shake it. That's how you can really tell the flicker. It's probably 60 hertz would be my guess. So 60 times a second, I believe, is what that means. So here's the box real quick. It says real glass. Okay, so real glass bulbs and new LED technology reflects incandescent filament bulb. So yeah, having it a little bit up higher like that definitely does it. 88% energy savings. Whatever, I don't know how true all that stuff is. So it's probably licensed for Sylvania. It's distributed by Enlighten LLC, made in Cambodia. You're never gonna find Christmas lights made in the United States anymore. So honestly, that's not even anything to worry about. There's lots of stories from all the other companies that just tell you it's just not feasible. You know, that's just the world we live in anymore. So you gotta have to deal with that. But these look pretty good for white. Actually, I would like these outside. I still don't know, they might be too bright. When I just look at them, they're really bright to look at. It hurts my eyes. But the actual light itself does not hurt my eyes. Just the brightness. All right, here's the Sylvania Traditional Glow Mini LED lights. If you look closely, you can see the light, you know, like I said, halfway up, but the light looks pretty good. Here is a cheaper LED light. We'll just compare it to this. See how this looks. See, as you can see, that one's definitely more yellow. So in my video or in real life, it looks more yellow on this side. This is a little bit whiter. This definitely has more traditional look. I'll give them that. This is definitely better. I mean, another 9 out of 10. Like I said, there's so many good white lights that the specialty is in the colored lights. However, I did notice, you know, there's these pieces on LED lights that, you know, transformers or something. I'm not an electrician, I don't know, but I don't actually see one on the Sylvania one. So maybe they're built in somehow, they were able to hide it. So that's actually pretty cool. Just makes it look more vintage or traditional. So it's more the light that's traditional, not the actual set. You know, the plastic feels a lot cheaper than anything on some of the better brands, like honestly Marico and the True Tone now, for what you get for a cord. I don't have any True Tone mini lights. I hear there's some coming. I've seen a little bit of them, but I don't have any. But yeah, so let's look at the color. All right, here's the Sylvania colors at night. Admittedly, I do really like them. And like I said, we're just going to compare them real quick like I did with some other brands with the colors from an incandescent set that I have. Not exactly sure what color is which, and we'll plug it in. We'll just start with that. So here's red. So here's red of an incandescent, and this is just a cheap set from Lowe's that I picked up. So there's nothing too special about it. See if it'll focus. Come on. There we go. And now let's look at a red on here. That might even be pink, so it's hard to tell. And here's the red on the Sylvania. It's okay. It doesn't actually look the same as the red on the incandescent. It almost looks a little bit more orange. I don't know if you can pick that up, but there's a little bit more orange for the top incandescent versus the red. It almost looks a little bit more orange on this side. So, you know, does not look as much like the incandescent red. I'll just be honest. Maybe like, no, it almost, unless that's the wrong color, or that is orange. Well, there's yellow. See, now I can't even tell when it's dark. Here's yellow. Here's the red. And here's the red there. It looks a little bit more on the camera, but actually this red, I like the incandescent red more. So, enough of that one. Let's check the next color. We have green. I really liked the green on my Marico lights, I admit. And here's this green. This looks better. This looks about the same. I wouldn't say they're too different if I just kind of stare at them. Because of where the bulb is, if we line them up, you can see that the bulb is bigger on the Sylvania and the light is higher up. So if we just look at it, the bulb is bigger and the light is a little bit higher. So the incandescent is a little bit lower on the green, well, on all of the colors, but as you can see the light right there, how it's lower. Color-wise, looks pretty good. It just feels like you can see the white like dot a little bit brighter through it. Like this feels more green all the way through. So I can't really tell if it's a white light with colored glass or if it's a colored bulb, colored diode with colored glass around it. So I'm not really sure about that. It does kind of have a bright spot right in the middle compared to this. It has like the white just seems a little bit dimmer in the middle. But like when you just hold it like this, that color looks nice. Like I don't think you can complain about how that looks. The pink and the red, like I said, they're not a huge difference. I don't know, maybe that just makes it look darker, but here's the pink and here's the red. So the pink is definitely like a little bit brighter than the red, a little bit darker. If they had no pink and it was all just dark red with it, I think I would like that more. Now let's look at another color. Blue, one of my favorite lights when it comes to Christmas lights. For some reason I've always just liked blue. So here's a nice blue, and if I just look at it quickly, it's not bad. Grab some blue bulbs and some blue. And like I said, these are modern incandescent lights from Lowe's, and this one definitely just has a more consistent blue. There's definitely a bright light in here, but to be fair, I used these outside for a couple of years and a lot of the paint has started to chip off. So on a lot of these lights where you're painting on, as you can see, the paint just comes right off. So I don't know how this paint will hold up. It's not coming off when I scratch it like that. Oh, yep, there it goes. Look, it scratched right off. Oh, it is a white light. So now we know the answer to our question. It is a white diode on the inside with a painted blue glass, which scratched right off when I used it. So both of these from the top, color is about the same. Doesn't look bad. Now I'll get another blue since I scratched that one up for sure. This blue that I have almost makes like I'm gonna say it almost looks like an LED blue, to be honest. It's not bad, but it kind of still looks like a police car blue. Like this is just a calmer looking blue. Like this side's a little bit calmer. Just for fun, let me show you this green set of LEDs I got from Walmart 2 years ago. Look how terrible that is. So like that green versus that green, sure, much brighter. I could care less. Plastic cover, you know what, I don't really seem to care about the plastic as much anymore. I see more people are going to plastic, and if it makes it so it doesn't scratch off, I'm fine with that. But look, if I hold this right here, see how it kind of goes in and out. See that? They're going off and on. So these are probably like 30 or like half rectified or whatever the term is. So these definitely have a flicker. I can see the flicker in real life. You can see them churning on and off. I'm using 60 FPS. These you can't see going on and off. So I'm gonna turn these off because that's a terrible look. These were like $2 at Walmart. They're terrible. Don't buy them. Just go spend decent money and get lights that don't give your neighbors a headache. But yeah, just like that. Put them on the neighbor's tree. Kind of want to. He's got a cool little like fern tree next door. We could see what they look like. My battery is about to run out, so that means we are done with this video. But here's the lights. You know, like I said, good price for $9. Can't really go wrong. If you want it to look fully vintage, these don't look fully vintage. All the little details just aren't there compared to some of the other brands that are out there that are specifically trying to do the full vintage experience. This is just trying to get the colors to match incandescent, and it's doing a pretty good job. you know, from some of the incandescent I have. So, you know, 6, 7 works good enough. And I say 6, 7 and my kid shows up. Seriously? Yep,
6,
I see
7.
6, 7. Okay. That was not on purpose. If you got this far, thank you. See you in the next video.